ever looked closely at a sunflower? The seeds from the center from these amazing spirals. This isn't just a random pattern. It follows something called Fibonacci sequence. Each seed is placed at a unique angle from the previous one, creating this super efficient and visually pleasing spiral. Next, let's talk about leaf symmetry. When you look at a leaf, you'll see that its veins are often arranged in a mirror-like pattern. This bilateral symmetry isn't just for looks. It helps the leaf maximize its surface area to soak up sunlight. It's like each leaf has its own perfect little blueprint.
Next, let's check out tiger spots. These aren't just for show. They're actually a camouflage pattern called chewing patterns. They help tiger blends into their environment, making it easier for them to hunt and hide. It's like nature's ultimate disguise. Now, let's talk about sea waves and foam. The way waves crash onto the shore and create foam is just mesmerizing. The foam forms intricate shape and bubbles that change constantly. These patterns are a result of the wind, water, and the moon's gravitational pull all working together. It's like watching a live piece of art. Moving on, let's talk about shell spirals. Ever noticed how many seashells, especially snail shells, have this beautiful spiral shape? These logarithmic spirals allow the shell to grow without changing its shape, giving the creature inside more room to grow. It's nature's way of being both practical and elegant.
Cracks in the ground, whether it's dried mud or cracked pavement, form fascinating patterns too. As the material dries and contracts, it creates intersecting lines that form geometric shapes. It's nature's way of distorting stress evenly.
Now, let's look at tree branching. If you've ever taken a close look at how branches grow, you'll notice they follow a pattern known as fractal branching. Each branch splits into smaller branches, which then split again, creating a repeating pattern. This helps the tree spread out and catch as much sunlight as possible while staying strong. The leaf beautifully showcases the combination of symmetry and veins. The symmetrical shape of the leaf provides a sense of balance and order, while the intricate network of veins adds complexity and detail. These veins, spreading out in a pattern, guide nutrients through the leaf and create a captivating visual texture. This blend of structured symmetry and organic veining highlights the natural harmony and intricate beauty found in even the simplest elements of nature. Lastly, raindrop ripples. When a raindrop hits a puddle, it creates a ripple effect that spreads out in perfect circles. These ripples overlap and create a dynamic, ever-changing display. It's like nature's own little symphony in water.
Patterns in nature.